as you all know, we're now celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Rouge and everybody who has been part of that history. And to us, the Rouge is much more than just a factory. It's a source of pride and opportunity for generations of workers who've built the best cars and trucks in the world. It's a place where we've always been creating tomorrow together. This is also where a middle class was born, where generations of workers built their own piece of the American dream. Henry Ford was the first to pay his workers a living wage. He was one of the first to introduce the kind of profit sharing that we continue today. He practiced equal opportunity in hiring, employing thousands of Americans with disabilities, and opening the Rouge's doors to thousands of African Americans looking for opportunity in the Great Migration. Our business is changing in dramatic ways. Everything from how we build our cars, to what they run on, to the way we buy them, hail them, or even drive them at all. But there's no company better positioned than Ford to lead that kind of change. We have more than 100 years' experience in the mass production of cars and trucks. We invented it. At the Rouge, you perfected it. And we're going to take it even further. And when it comes to building the best trucks in the world, we never rest. Whether they're gas, diesel, hybrid, or when the time comes, fully electric, they will power the world in a sustainable way and remain built Ford tough. Whatever future our employees dream up and design, one thing will remain a constant. We'll build it at the Rouge. The Rouge was our most important plant 100 years ago. It's our most important plant today, and it will be our most important plant tomorrow. That proud past, that powerful future, it's all because of the men and women who call the Rouge home. I'm so proud to work with all of you. What an incredible 100 years. And here's to the next 100 years of creating tomorrow together.